Welcome to the video. Today we will make a stopwatch project with HTML CSS and JAVASCRIPT. First I will show you my website. So let's visit the site. Here you see it is my simple stopwatch using HTML CSS and JAVASCRIPT. If I click on start, you will see it is start. Yeah, it will show you in millisecond and seconds. So if I will click on stop, it will stop. Here you can see it is stop, and if I click on reset, it will be deleted. Will show you. Yeah, it is deleted. Now I will show once again. Here you can see if I will place this cursor to the start, it is going white, and if stop and as well as reset. So if I will start, now you can see it is working fine. It is showing you in the seconds and milliseconds. Now if I click on stop, it is stop, and if I will click on reset, it is reset. I will show you the code. This is my GitHub repository for the stopwatch project. I will show you the code. I have written a code for HTML, JavaScript and CSS. I have named the file of HTML index.html and JavaScript script.js. And for the CSS I have used style.css. So it is compulsory to use. And first I will show you the index.html file, which is a HTML file. So let's go to the HTML file. Here you can see this is my HTML file, a simple stopwatch project. First I have given a doc type HTML here, and after that I have given a title here, stopwatch, and a link related to the style.css, and after that in the body tag I have give a div class, a container, and in the h2 heading tag I have used a stopwatch, which you will see on the website, and after that I have uses the timer and the button. I have uses a p tag and a span id for the seconds, and zeros and a tens, and also I have uses a span id here, and for the button id I have uses a button start and button stop and button reset. I have uses 3 buttons there, a stop, start and a reset button, and at last I have uses a JavaScript src here for the file connected to the JavaScript. Light green color is called a hashtag 09BC09, which you will search, it will show you the light green color. And font family I uses a Arial, Helvetica and sans serif, and height 100%. And for adding size and color to the container I have uses a, in the container tag I have uses a width 100px, margin 30px auto, and color white. Solid and black, border radius 5px, margin right 10px, outline none, and at last for the button hovering I have uses a background white, color hashtag 09BC09, and font weight 800, and for the text transform capitalize. Now we'll show you the JavaScript code. Let's go to the JavaScript file. Here we see the code for the JavaScript. I have uses a var For the seconds and tenths, and where for the append tenths I have used a get element by id for the tenths, and for the seconds I have used a get element by id for the seconds, and for the button start I have used a document dot get element by id for the button start, and for the where button stop I have used a document dot get element by id for button stop, and for the where button reset I have used a document dot get element by id for the button reset, and after that I have used a where interval to store the timer values there. Now this function will run when you click on start. I have used a function here for the start timer. The tense will going increasing, and if the tense is less than 9, it will append tense dot inner html is equal to 0 plus tense. It will increasing 0 one by one when it is less than tense. Now if tense is equal to greater than 9, then it's append tense dot inner html and use tense. I have used the inner html file here to run this code, and if the tense is equal to greater than 99, it will increase the seconds one by one, and append seconds dot inner html 0 is increasing by seconds and 10 will be the 0, and for the append tense inner html it will 0 plus 0, and if seconds is greater than 9, append seconds dot inner html is equal to seconds. If the seconds is equal to greater than 9, it will append seconds with the help of inner html. It will show you the seconds. And for the button start I have used the on click function here. Interval I have used a set interval for the start timer, and for the button stop dot on click I have also used a function here, on click function for the clearing the interval, which will show the timer values. So, and for the button reset I have also used the on click function. If you will click on function it will reset all, if you will click on function it will stop, it will start. I have used the on click function for the buttons like start, stop and the reset button. And here a clear interval I have used a tense here for the 00 and a tense for the 0. If you will click on a reset button it will show you the 0, it will append 0 and it will clear the interval. And also I have used the inner.html here for the seconds, and append tense dot inner html I have also used as a tense. So this was my JavaScript code, and this is my Git repository for the stopwatch. So thank you very much. Please like this video.